Hi everyone, this is Judy's Handmade Creation, and I'm here to show you another project that I made with the Susan Bates double end crochet hook. And this is a size H hook, and it's double end. You can see the video that I made on how to use this. And today I made, well, this is what I've been working on, not today, but I made some Can Koozies. And these Can Koozies, what I like about them is that you work with 2 skeins of yarn on this hook. And these are great to make Can Koozies, like when you go to a party, you can keep up with your drink. And what I like about using the double end crochet hook, it looks different on this side, more pink. I use pink and I use red, and you can reverse it. And this side would be more black because you're using 2 skeins of yarn. See, more black on that one, more pink on this one. And these are great when you go to parties because you can keep up with your drink. And yeah, this was created with the double end crochet hook. This here. And I also made one in gray and black. This here was done with the double end crochet hook at the bottom, and then all the gray up here was done with a size H regular crochet hook. I just crocheted around it. But the bottom of this is reversible too, since I use the double crochet hook on the bottom. More gray on this side, and then when I turn it inside out, it's more black on this side down at the bottom. And these are great to make to keep up with your drink at a party. That way everybody's drinking like a soda or anything the same. And what I like about them, they slip over. They slip over. And they keep your table from getting messed up because you got the bottom like that. You won't get no water rings on your table. And your hands stay dry. And you can keep up with your drink. And I made 2 different styles. This one was just done with the double end crochet hook. And the bottom of this one, the gray and the black, like I said, was done with the double end crochet hook at the bottom. And then I just used a regular crochet hook at the top to go around it. And these protect your table. Keeps from getting rings on your table. And it keeps in track of your drink. And these make great gifts, so I like to make them. And I like using the double crochet hook because you can make the cozy reversible. More pink on one side, and then you can turn it inside out. And if you want to use the black side, it'll be more black on that side. So, and if you want one of these, I get these at AC Moore's. If you want one of these double end crochet hooks, you can get them at AC Moore's. And I think they're like $5.99 now. But yeah, I like making them with this because you can do 2 colors of yarn without switching and tying them off or whatever. So it looks really nice. And these are really easy for me to make, so I like them. Thank you for watching and have a great day.